Once the goals are set, it's time to begin data collection. First, go to the Caseload tab and click the Take Data button next to the student you're tracking. This opens the data taking screen, which is divided into several key sections. At the top, you'll see the date and time automatically set to the current moment. If you need to modify this, click on the date or time, make your changes, and hit Update Event. In the Students section, you'll see the student you're currently taking data for. If you're working with a group, you can add more students by clicking the Add icon, selecting their names, and updating. This allows you to seamlessly switch between students during the session and track their progress individually. On the left side of the screen, you will find a list of goals for the selected student. Let's walk through how to take data. For example, Robert has a goal to solve 3-digit addition problems with 80% accuracy. During each attempt, I'll click plus for a correct response, minus for an incorrect response, P for a correct response with a prompt. The system automatically calculates the accuracy for me, making tracking seamless. Robert also has a goal to follow 2-step directions with minimal prompts. I'll select the appropriate option for each trial, such as independent, 1 to 2 prompts, or more than 2 prompts. The system logs all the data, and I can view the results instantly. In the Graphs section, I can visualize the student's progress. AbleSpace provides several types of graphs, so I can choose the one that best represents the data for the goal I'm tracking. For instance, a line graph for monitoring accuracy over time, a pie chart for tracking the prompt distribution. This visual representation makes it easy to identify trends and adjust strategies as needed. During the session, I can document observations or important details by clicking the Add Note button. For example, I might note, Robert seemed distracted during the first 10 minutes of the session. These notes are saved alongside the data and can be used later when reviewing the session or preparing reports. With all the data collected, I am ready to generate goal reports and create progress notes using the AI feature. These tools help transform raw data into actionable insights. We'll cover these features in detail in the next lesson.